Hey guys, it is Stocklock Sunday, and today I have this beautiful old Master number 77. It's a very cool old lock, and it's going for my collection when I have picked it. There we have the keyway. I don't have a key for it. Alright. And okay, that's way too big. What about this one? That fit perfectly. Alright. Let's give it a go. Okay, not much is happening. Let me try some heavier tension, which I usually use on master locks. It's really giving a good fight. It opened rather quickly after I picked it after making the unboxing video. I got this from Sterilock. I just tried it quickly, and it opened rather quickly, so I thought I would be able to do it within at least 5 minutes, but yeah, well, it's not 5 minutes yet, but yeah. It doesn't really seem like it's going to open, so let's try another pick. Finally, just needed a little rake zip thing, and there we go. I'll take it. Oh, that snap locked again. Alright, I actually think it's shimmable as well, because there's only a locking pole over here. There's no cut over there. But I'm not gonna try. It's open and I don't have a key, so to hang it up in the rack I need the shackle open. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.